Roman script ni Sanmungo tangshala Jirania SDM ni yaktei hasteni Montri Okrani Thani Deputation Yapharkha TSF Sadar Divisional Committee Manjakha TSF ni Chief Advisor Kumar Deborma haste asufang Somrat Deborma Vice President John Deborma no khobai TSF ni kubun ozamarok Sekango jora khajak tongmani haikeno tangsalo Roman script baino Chini amani kokok brokno suijaknani Sanmung tisawai Jirania SDM ni yaktei hasteni Montri Okrani Thani Deputation Yapharkha TSF Sadar Divisional Committee a shalo khumulung forest jomni ni simi daily khlai phai Jirania SDM Santi Ranjan Chakmani Thani Deputation Yapharkha TSF ni ozamarok Deputation Dumani Fandao Manjakha TSF ni Chief Advisor Kumar Deborma haste asufang Somrat Deborma Vice President John Deborma Chief Organizing Secretary Bibas Debormate Sadar Divisional Committee ni Vice President Probat Deborma no khoboi TSF ni kubun ozamarok
all issues to kesam 1967 sibino je Roman script issues ni tine cover ni amoi sin tini Sadar Divisional Committee ni hoite or memorandum of SDM no Chief Minister no surohaka je cover language sob khana bagi through the SDM Jirania sin tini memorandum rohaka SDM ku positive bo rohonai immediately sakasuno sin sabino issues sin sabino je Roman script Salmani Balwi Pika. That as a committee from Kamania, almost solution here. I guess in order Buji was there. Tinis and Luca students are online. I mean, no, students, man. 99% already since 99% student or 99.5% no Roman student in favor of care. How can the government see public mandate no go Shiawui without taking the mandate of the public? Only they can impose one particular script. There is the question to the government. They cannot do that. They cannot impose one particular script. This should take the mandate of the people. The people has only given 99% mandate. So why the government is still silent and only imposing one script? Government should take, the chief minister should take immediate step to solve these issues. Otherwise, there will be lots of problem in Tripura. Will be even bound to call for strike or any further greater movement can be called up again. So we have requested the SDM already. The SDM is very positive. He will be sending Borohonai, the Chief Minister, immediately or memorandum no Rihonai.
Ringza, Jirania Subdivisional, memorandum Yapharkha, through Clay, Chief Minister Thani Shogine. 1996 1968 ni simi TSF rok andolon khai phayo tamong ke jeng Roman script bai chini mani kokno suyani ba porinani bagai jeng sanai phayo tabu pun aji chini state government 40 years kha kok borok no security de mani haipano bo language bai silai tonglai kuno thikri kho Abani bagai jeng Roman script by Sano, engke borokai Bangla horop by Clay, jeng no Sirina bagai Taitogo. Saipana Chini Puri tongai, Joto, Kok borok Sane rokai, jeng Roman script by Nayo, Jotokon, jeng Roman script by Jengno, Otikariasa, TSF, Anolong Kaitangai, Soya Wino.
Asalo Roman script ni Sanmungo Jirania SDM ni yaktei hasteni Montri Okrani Thani TSF Sadar Divisional Committee ni bakhaktei Deputation Yapharkha ni rally no kitingai khumulungte Jirania hati kitingai thepa jakha karak nai mothang bahini Bureau Report Chini Khorang